So yeah, I just picked up this little Canon 35 to 80 millimeter zoom lens. It's the EF 4 to 5.6. I think it's probably in late 80s. I got it from this lovely little photo shop in Le Château d'Oléron on the Ile d'Oléron, Calimage. It's in the window, and €20, £17 sterling. Couldn't resist it. He's listed it incorrectly there. He's got it down as a EF 35 to 70, but it's definitely 35 to 80. And I've just been taking some trial photos with it. Had a day trip to Rochefort, and we did a bit of street photography. It's in amazing condition. Got all the original covers. I'm sure Canon have changed the cover design many times, but this is just the embossed, non-coloured in one. And that's the genuine article on the back. Very simple lens, very clean, autofocus, manual focus switch, nice big zoom ring. Yeah, lovely lens. What a bargain. Of course it fits on the older cameras. I'm shooting with a Canon 5D Classic on the EF mount, and let's see how we got on.